Every Christmas Eve, Santa followed his usual routine. Deliver gifts, check the nice list, and eat every cookie left for him. He loved all kinds, especially the triple fudge marshmallow stuffed ones. But Santa had a problem. His cookie burps, not normal burps. These were burp quakes. They rattled the sleigh, melted candy canes, and made Rudolph's nose flicker. The reindeer called them toxic snowstorms. Mrs. Claus just sighed. Oh dear. One Christmas Eve, after a big cookie bite, Santa belly rumbled. His beard fluttered. His hat lifted. He tried to hold it in, but then blew a warp. The burp blasted through the sky. The sleigh shook. The reindeer panicked. Even the moon flinched. They landed on a rooftop to recover. No more burps, Santa promised. Then he saw a plate of warm cookies with a note. Dear Santa, hope you're hungry. Love, the Marshmallow Twins. His eye twitched. Too late. Santa ate them all. Burp, burp, blarp. The burp launched Santa into the air like a rocket. Snow flew off rooftops. A polar bear woke up in the Arctic like, what was that? When he finally floated back down, Santa hiccuped cookie-scented sparkles. Well, he chuckled. I guess that's the true spirit of Christmas. From then on, the reindeer wore peppermint gas masks just in case.